Hello, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you the best features on the XIAOMI Smart Band 9 Active. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the widget option. So if you want to change the widgets of your watch, this is the watch on the right, by the way, just taking it out of the band. So if you want to change the widgets, what you're going to do is open up your XIAOMI fitness app, make sure that it's connected to the watch, by the way, and then select the device tab and click on the widgets tab. So it should show you all of these widgets. Click on all, and here you have all of the widgets that you can change to. I'm going to select the random one for now, and I'm going to click apply, and I'm going to wait for it to download on my watch. So there we go, the widget has been downloaded. As you can see, it's the same as on the screen right here. So the next thing I'm going to show you is the weather sync. So if you want to check the weather on your smartwatch, what you're going to do is click on the apps option, and then click on weather, and then click on weather updates. So first you're going to have to enable access to location. I'm going to enable that really quickly while using the app, or always is better, so you don't have to update your phone. And then I'm going to enable weather updates. And here you can change the temperature units and the locations. And now when I open my watch and just scroll to the right, you can see that it displays the weather. And so the next thing I'm going to show you is the battery power saving option on your phone, on your smartwatch. So I'm going to scroll to the left to this tab right here, and I'm going to scroll down to this battery with a plus icon option. I'm going to click on that, and just click on the check mark to enable battery saver. So if your watch is on low battery, you can just enable battery saver, and as you can see, it changed, only displays the time and the battery percentage and the date. But if you want to exit out, you just scroll to the left or the right and just hold it like that while it says just a second. There we go, and now I'm out of the mode. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.